Alright guys, back with Mike LS in the check-in. So what I'm gonna be doing today is knock sensor. So I got the knock sensor part in, right? So I wanna do a quick swap of the knock sensor. I kinda pre-game everything, disconnect the battery, got Renzel on the jack stand. And let me show y'all the tedious part first. So the knock sensor is in here, right, way back there by that, I think that's the oil line right there. It's kind of in the effed up place, but I gotta get the sensor out, and then hopefully I'll be able to maneuver around them lines. Maybe gotta use a wrench, because I don't see how the hell I'm gonna use a socket. The other side is a little bit easier than this one. This one here look like it's in an effed up place, as y'all can see. Let me show y'all the new knock I got. OEM. Looked at a few videos real quick on the knock. You know, everybody does it different. Everybody make it seem like, oh, it's 1, 2, 3, but everything is not 1, 2, 3. So this right here, the dealer still had the knock, so which is pretty good. I didn't have to I seen somebody use a Duralast, which I'm not using no Duralast knock sensor on this joint. So 2 knock sensors. The other one is actually by the starter over there. I actually took it out before and looked at it and put it back. And the funny thing about the knock sensor, which I'm gonna point out, I don't know, GM have them like in this weird ass angle for whatever reason. I don't know why. See how it's slanted and not straight. So the other one was like that, but I kind of moved it. I think you could put it in any position, but as I looked at all GMs, they put it like in that angle, and the wire harness is like cocked upside down for whatever reason. So yeah, we're gonna go back in the same placement. So all right, let me put y'all on the stand for a little bit and try to figure out how the hell, what the hell I gotta do to get this itch out. Because I gotta maybe use I got a flathead screwdriver to try to get that clip out, try to release that harness. That's what I'm about to try to release. Try to get the harness out, and then I could figure out how to what I'm gonna use to get the damn sensor out. And then they saying we gotta torque it, so I gotta see how that one will work. I maybe have to actually use the damn torque bar in there if it could get up in there and get it out. So let's see how I could figure this one out. And then I could give the jewels to anybody else that have to do a knock sensor, so I can help them out. So what I see with this here, I gotta use 2 hands for some reason. So got the screwdriver, and they have they got a tab, which I can't see it, but I'm gonna have to figure it out. So I believe the tab is like right here or some shit. It says a messed up angle. So I'm trying to let me see how my hand could fit in here. Light in this garbage to get it out. I keep on moving. Yeah, this is a little bit let me see I don't know if the screwdriver's hitting the tab or not. The push tab button. I think it is. It looks like it is.
It's like, to get this joint out, it's gonna be not easy, people. Like the angle is, and my leg keep on like moving, like, what's up with you? It's a weird ass angle. Come on. Pushing something. Now I gotta go back and look. Cause as I said, I can't really see. And let me see right hand. Hold on, nope. Let me see if I could try again with just my hand. Just a second. See, I feel the tab. I feel it wiggling, but I feel something broke. A piece of something broke. Hope I didn't break nothing. That'll be the last thing I want to do. But it's hard as hell. That's what I'm saying. Alright, folks, I'm gonna have to put y'all on a time lapse. And I gotta figure out how to get Mr. Nonsense out. As I said, don't look easy like something broke. Alright guys, this is a effed up situation here, so I got it out. It got a line that's blocking it, so I had to kind of use a wrench a little bit, but I don't know how I'm gonna torque this back. Don't know. So now I was trying to figure out how to get this other one back in. As I said, sometimes people make things seem easy, but it's not. But this is, GM put this in a retarded place because this is not easy. So this got a number 5720. And this one here says 2810. So I guess this is a replacement. And this right here, you see what it is? It got some kind of grime and some dirt around it. So Actually, I don't know if. Let me see what in here look like. The surface is gotta be clean. So, all right, let me try to figure this part out now. How to get it back in the same way I took it out. This is not gonna be easy. So let me put you on another quick time lapse as you try to figure this out. Alright guys, I got it in the best way I can. This position is garbage. As I said, this ish wasn't hard. I had to use a goddamn, I couldn't even torque it because the way that lines, I don't know, it was something, I don't know. The lines is like weird, but I did it on a regular hand torque. As y'all can see, I had to use a wrench, and it took me like 15 minutes basically to get this stuff done. But basically I got it in. Hopefully the passenger side is supposed to be peasy, and I'm gonna have to get to that. As I said, I seen the video, and this guy, like, he paused up, he skipped a couple of parts. I know that because he maybe had to do the same thing and didn't want to tell nobody. So that's what I had to deal with. So I positioned it back the best way I can because it's like, it was kind of like, as I told y'all before, it's kind of like tilted for whatever goddamn reason. So it kind of, I don't know, it's up a little bit. I did the best I can from underneath there. So everything is plugged back in. I'm just gonna recheck it and make sure the harness is plugged back in, and that's it. New knock sensor. Gotta do the passenger side. So let me put the side back on, get to this side, and hopefully this one here is not supposed to be pretty much straightforward, as y'all can see where the sensor is. And I got to put it back in an angle because when I took it out before, I put it straight. I don't know what's up with GM and these angles, but yeah, I'm gonna put it back in a slight angle. So this one's supposed to be a little bit easier than the driver's side. Driver's side was garbage. All right, so I'm gonna put this rim back on, move my cardboard, and get myself together and knock this out. 8:45. I'm pushing it, people. I'm pushing it. Really pushing it. All right, I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute. All right, guys, this is kind of like a done deal with this stuff right here. Camera's about to go dead. As y'all can see, put it back in an angle. That's done. Driver side done. So I'm gonna put everything back and maybe just take a little test run real quick. May not change nothing, but it is what it is. So if you're new to the channel, once again, I just did the knock sensors on the 2013 Escalade Renzel. Y'all already know. So like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Look at the back end videos. Y'all already know the vibes. And I'm out.